Hey guys, these are the two products I use before blow drying my hair. So I separate my hair in two sections, and each side I divide it in two. And to get the loose wave, I don't curl the ends. I leave a pretty good amount out, and I don't leave the curler on my hair for too long. And I pretty much just continue to do that throughout all my hair. For this first part of my hair, you'll see me curling it outward so it doesn't go towards my face, but the rest I just curl it inward. There's not a reason, I just do it. And now I'm just trying to fix whatever parts I missed or take the frizz off, so it's up to you however you like the result. I hope you guys really enjoyed this quick hair tutorial. Thank you for watching. Until next time.